Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Cat Crafty. So today's video is about resin art and I will be showing you how to make beach using resin art. All you need is a canvas, teal blue acrylic paint, yellow ochre acrylic paint, phthalo blue acrylic paint and white acrylic paint. Also some ice cream sticks, hardener and resin. Now we will add little amount of paint into the cups. Now take another cup and add resin and hardener in 2:1 ratio. Always remember to add them in correct ratio because if either of them is not added correctly, it might not give you the desired result. Also, it will not be completely dried. Now mix it well for at least 5 minutes, and if you see any bubbles while mixing, it is totally fine. Now pour resin into the cups in which we added the color. Now let's jump into the fun part, but before starting, make sure that you're wearing your gloves. The yellow ochre paint determines the sand of the beach, so we will start from the bottom of the canvas. You can make the sand in any shape you want, but in this I will be adding the sand only in the corner. Now we are done with the sand and I will be using teal blue paint for the lighter part in the ocean. You can leave some space between the paint because alternatively we will be adding white paint to make the waves. Now for the darker part we will be using phthalo blue. In similar way, spread the paint in left space. Now it's time for the waves, and for the waves we will use white paint. Add a layer of white between the paint. And now the best part, we will be making the wave, and for the same you will need a hair dryer. Focus on the white part and try to extend it in order to give it a wave shape. You can add more layers to the ocean to give it a realistic look. You can see how incredible those waves turned out. To give it more realistic look, you can add real sand. And this is the result we get. How beautiful that shine is. I also did another piece for you. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.